This assessment asks us to calculate the average atomic mass of the bromine 79 and bromine 81 isotopes. What's given in the problem is their percent abundance and the specific atomic mass of each isotope. In effect, what we're doing then is calculating a weighted average between the two. So let's start with the 79, which is going to have 78.918 atomic mass units. And the problem tells us that it is 50.7% abundance. So we'll multiply this times 0.507. Bromine 81 has an atomic mass of 80.916 atomic mass units, and its abundance of 49.3 we can express by multiplying times 0.493. If we do both of those calculations, we get 40.011 for the top, 78.918 times 0.507. 80.916 times 0.493 gives us 39.892. We can now add these two numbers, and we get a value of 79.903 atomic mass units. We would expect that to be the value that would show up in the periodic table, perhaps depending on significant figures. But again, 79.9 is about halfway between 80.9 and 78.9, which makes sense based on their nearly equal relative abundance.